So G.I. Joe, aka Fallen One Gaming, we went and saw Snake Eyes, a G.I. Joe origin story over the weekend. What'd you think?
I thought it was great. We did go to see this in 4DX, which was amazing, by the way. The movie itself, I'm going to get right into it. I give it a 7.0. It was amazing. Stayed true to the franchise. And even though it was a prequel, I haven't seen the other ones, but it was easy for me to get into. How did you feel about it?
I'll say this, the 4DX definitely helped the movie experience for me, but even taking the 4DX element out of the equation, I still feel like this was a decent movie. It was entertaining enough. I think the fights were awesome. And of course, it was a pretty decent cast, but the main lead, Henry Golding, as the main protagonist, Snake Eyes, I absolutely loved him in this role. And seeing how this was basically a revenge story and a heist story, and of course, a great Japanese action film with elements of 36 chambers, along with a whole lot of martial arts fight scenes, and of course, shit getting blown up. There was some awesome action. This definitely lived up to the G.I. Joe name. I had a blast watching it, and yeah, I'm gonna agree with you. I would give it a 7.0 as well. Again, far from great, but it's not bad at all, and I think this movie is unfairly getting trashed for whatever reason.
I believe that the character interactions were on par, and that like you said, the fight scenes and the action were there from start to finish.
Yeah, and you know what? You touched on it earlier. If you haven't seen any of the G.I. Joe movies, don't worry. This is a prequel. This is strictly centered around the character Snake Eyes and how he becomes the Snake Eyes that you know in the G.I. Joe franchise. And some of the G.I. Joe elements are in there. I mean, Cobra, without going into spoilers, plays a prominent role in this movie. I'd go out and say on a limb, this is the best G.I. Joe movie among the three of them that we've gotten so far. And I hope we see more of this character. I don't know if that's going to happen based on what the temperature of the box office is right now, but I think people should not pay attention to the reviews. Listen, this is not an Oscar-worthy film. This is just an enjoyable action film just to get your rocks off. I think if you're going into it for that, then grab your popcorn and go at it.
Take this time for yourself to make your own decision. I'd give it a watch. Don't feed into everything that's online right now.
Now, 4DX. Now, we live in the Syracuse area, not the biggest market in the world, so this was our first experience with a 4DX film. So for those who don't know what 4DX is, the best explanation is the seats that you sit in interact with the movie, whether if they vibrate during an explosion, if it's an aerial shot, the fans in the theater go off, and then if there's like a water scene or a splash of water, they splash like mist in your face, and if there's like a scene where there's fire, you see smoke in front of the screen. It's a really, really awesome experience. It's definitely like a roller coaster ride in a movie in itself. It was hella fun. And with all these stabbings and impales and all the action getting thrown at you, you feel it with the 4DX. And oh my God, it's such an experience. And Snake Eyes, the G.I. Joe origin story, is a perfect 4DX film. Joe, what did you think of the 4DX experience?
Oh, I loved it. It's great environmental effects. When it's raining, you'll feel it. You feel it during the chases and everything. You can feel the wind rush past you. It's just a great experience. And I think, like you said, our next one, possibly Top Gun.
Yes. So in conclusion about Snake Eyes real quick, the movie's decent, but if you want the true experience, and if it's available in your area, go see Snake Eyes in 4DX. I promise you will not regret it.
I agree.